Okay, here is a quick demo about my n8n workflow. I've created a simple application wherein I'm tracking the inventory of my household supplies. For example, I've created a home inventory in Airtable, and it has the following items, 7 items, along with the current quantity and the threshold limits. So the idea is the person should be able to quickly restock the item names based on the current quantity and the threshold values. So this is the workflow that I have created in n8n. So it starts with a chat message. It talks to an AI agent, and then it uses Gemini's model, Gemini 2 Flash, and along with that, it makes use of two Airtable functionalities. One is to search for the items in the inventory, and second is to update the inventory. Let's see the functioning of uh, this particular tool. Now here, let me see. So suppose if I start with, hi, what items in my home inventory need to be restocked. So as you can see, it has triggered the right elements or nodes in the n8n workflow, and based on this, it has suggested that the toilet paper, shampoo, conditioner, butter, and dish soap need to be restocked. So based on these values of the current quantity and the threshold limits, it has made the suggestions. Now, what if I say, what is the current quantity of apples? Okay, it's not able to find that. I think it's something related to the model. Uh, okay, I have bought two additional, or two, or say five shampoos from the store. Please update my inventory. So earlier, if you look, the quantity of shampoo was 2. I have said that I have bought 5 shampoos from the store. Please update the inventory. I can only update the inventory if you provide the record ID and provide this. Okay, so let's see. So record, give me the record ID for shampoo. So record ID is a unique identifier for each element in Airtable. So that is what it is asking for. So it has given this is the record ID. So I'll say update the the current quantity of shampoo to 5. Its record ID is this. Okay. So it says I've updated the quantity to 5. So if we go here, shampoo has become 5. So that's how you can create simple workflows and complicated ones in n8n using multiple attachments. Like for example, if you go to the add node feature, here you can see a lot of attachments are already available to be attached into your workflows. So Airtable is there, Figma is there. You can also have attachments to other LLM models like OpenAI. Um, Gmail is there, Executor is there, and others. Octa is also there, RabbitMQ is also there. So this gives you an idea about how to create automated workflows in n8n, and that's all for today.